Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to install the front handlebar on the PR20S Columba folding bike. The first step is to take this piece and insert it into the head tube. As you can see, I have a piece of tape that marks the position of where I'm inserting. Next, take a 5mm Allen wrench to secure it to the head tube. Make sure to turn the wrench clockwise to lock it in place. Now flip over the top half of the head tube insertion and lock it using the vertical lever. Don't forget to turn the plastic ring to secure the lever in place. After that, you can plug in the top part of the handlebar insertion. Turn the lever inward to lock the handlebar stem in place. If you find that the handlebar is too loose, make sure to turn the knob clockwise before you close the lever. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial on how to install a front handlebar on a PR20S Columba folding bike. Feel free to check out our website at www.2ksilver.com. Thanks for watching!